In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Tools no license bug. If you are running into this issue, don't worry. In most cases, it can be resolved with a few simple fixes inside Steam itself. The goal here is to refresh the client, clear out any temporary cache problems. Make sure Steam is using the latest beta client if needed. And then verify that the affected tool or game files are installed correctly. I will walk you through each part clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, completely restart the Steam client. Don't just click the X and assume it's fully closed, because sometimes Steam continues running in the background. Exit Steam. Then open Task Manager and end any remaining Steam-related tasks you see there. This gives the client a clean restart and can often fix license recognition issues that happen because of a stuck background process. Once everything is closed, open Steam again and log back into your account. Next, clear the Steam download cache. This is helpful because cache data can sometimes interfere with updates, app ownership checks, or general client behavior. To do this, open Steam Settings. Go to the Download section and choose Clear Download Cache. Steam will usually sign you out after this, so be ready to log back in once it finishes. That's normal, and it helps force the client to refresh important data from Steam's servers. After that, switch Steam into beta mode. Head back into Settings. Then open the Interface section. Look for Client Beta Participation and change it to Steam Beta Update. Once you apply that change, Steam will ask to restart. Go ahead and let it restart fully. This step can help if the bug is tied to a client-side issue that has already been addressed in a newer beta build. Finally, verify the files for the affected tool or game. In your Steam library, right-click the tool or game that's showing the no license problem, then open Properties. From there, go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace anything missing, corrupted, or out of sync. Depending on the size of the app, this may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before launching again. Once you've gone through all of these steps, try opening the tool or game one more time. In many cases, that's enough to get rid of the Steam Tools no license bug and restore normal access. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.